Imagine walking into a clinic, and before you even sit down, an AI already knows which medication has the highest chance of working for your body at your dose with the lowest risk of side effects. Not best for the average patient, best for you. Now imagine the drug you're being prescribed was designed in years instead of a decade. Today, I'm going to show you how two technologies working together could change medicine more than any single invention since antibiotics. 1. Quantum computing, a new kind of machine built for problems classical computers struggle to touch. 2. Artificial intelligence, the pattern-finding engine already transforming hospitals. And here's the twist. AI tells us where to look. Quantum helps us search and simulate faster. Stay with me, because in a few minutes I'll show you real examples from research. Drug screening that hints at quantum advantage, quantum AI models improving predictions, and quantum classical imaging systems pushing diagnostic accuracy. Modern medicine is drowning in complexity. A single protein can fold into mind-bending shapes. A single drug candidate can interact with the body in thousands of ways. A single human genome has billions of letters. A single hospital system generates mountains of messy, incomplete data. We already use classical supercomputers. We already use AI. And still, drug discovery is slow, trials are expensive, and many treatments work brilliantly for some patients and barely at all for others. So the real question isn't, do we need better healthcare? We do. The real question is, do we need a new kind of computation to get it? A normal computer uses bits, 0 or 1. A quantum computer uses qubits, which can represent combinations of possibilities at once. Two key ideas matter. 1. Superposition. Instead of choosing one path, a qubit can explore many possibilities mathematically. 2. Entanglement. Qubits can become linked, so measuring one gives information about another, even across complex relationships. Now, important reality check. Today's quantum computers aren't magic. They're noisy, fragile, and limited. But even with those limits, researchers can build hybrid systems, classical computers doing most of the work, with small quantum circuits helping in specific parts. Think of it like this. Classical computers are powerful trucks. Quantum computers are specialized race engines we're still learning to drive. AI is already incredible at finding patterns in medical images, predicting risk, sorting patients into groups, spotting signals humans miss. But AI also hits walls. It struggles when the underlying biology is insanely complex. It can require huge training data, and it doesn't understand chemistry the way physics does. So the next leap is not just more AI, it's AI plus quantum, prediction plus simulation plus optimization. Drug discovery is basically searching for needles in a molecular haystack. Quantum plus AI could transform 4 steps. A. Virtual screening, finding promising molecules faster. Instead of testing millions of compounds in a lab, you screen them computationally first. Researchers have already built quantum machine learning screening workflows and tested them on real quantum processors, showing strong performance for certain targets. B. Designing molecules, not just searching for them. This is where AI shines. Generative models can propose new molecules. Now add quantum circuits into those generative models, and you get hybrid architectures that aim to produce better candidates faster. C. Toxicity prediction. One of the most expensive failures is discovering a compound is unsafe, late. Quantum-enhanced AI is being explored for early toxicity and patient-specific safety prediction, exactly the kind of high-dimensional problem that benefits from smarter computation. D. Smarter targets, better prioritization. AI helps identify the biological targets worth attacking. Quantum methods help evaluate candidates more efficiently in certain scenarios. Here's the big picture. AI proposes, quantum evaluates, and the lab only tests the best of the best. Personalized medicine is the dream. Right patient, right drug, right time, right dose. But the math is brutal, because you're combining genetics, tumor biology, lifestyle factors, medical history, lab tests, imaging, and how all of that changes over time. Quantum AI approaches are being tested for treatment response prediction, especially in situations with limited training data. Think about cancer therapy. Two patients can have the same diagnosis and respond completely differently. Hybrid quantum neural networks are being explored to predict drug response and even identify more effective combinations for challenging resistant cancers. And this has ripple effects. Better patient stratification for clinical trials, fewer trial failures, faster approval of therapies that actually work. If AI is a microscope for patterns, then quantum AI could become the microscope for microscopes, boosting signal detection in complex images. Researchers are applying quantum machine learning to chest X-rays, MRI scans, retinal images, and more. And here's why that matters. In imaging, tiny improvements in classification can mean earlier detection when treatment is most effective. In a moment, I'll talk about the hard truth of quantum hardware limitations. But first, notice the trend. Researchers are not waiting for perfect quantum computers. They're building hybrid systems right now. Genomics and multi-omics data, DNA, RNA, proteins, metabolites, can be massive and tangled. Quantum algorithms are being explored to accelerate genomic pattern analysis, DNA sequence alignment, multi-omics integration, biomarker discovery. And it's not just genetics. Healthcare data is often incomplete, missing labs, missing notes, missing fields. Quantum approaches have been explored for clinical data imputation, basically filling in missing data in a principled way so models and clinicians can make better decisions. This is the unglamorous part of medicine, but it's where a lot of real progress lives. Let's get honest. We're in the NISQ era, noisy intermediate scale quantum. That means current devices are limited, error-prone, and not ready for every problem. So near-term wins come from shallow quantum circuits, hybrid quantum classical models, careful benchmarking against classical methods, and choosing tasks that fit today's hardware. Long-term, beyond 2030, the vision is fault-tolerant quantum computers that can tackle problems like complex molecular dynamics and real-time personalized treatment optimization at a scale classical systems can't match. Here's a practical way to think about the next few years. 2026. More proof of concepts across drug discovery, imaging, genomics. Lots of "this is competitive" results. 2026 to 2028. The first real production solutions that create business and scientific value. The beginning of the quantum decade. 2028 to 2030. Deeper integration into pharma and clinical workflows, plus regulatory frameworks adapting to quantum-enhanced approaches. So, what should hospitals, researchers, and health tech teams do right now? 3 moves. 1. Run pilot projects in high-value NISQ feasible areas. 2. Build a workforce, including quantum translators who bridge medicine plus quantum. 3. Partner strategically with universities and quantum cloud platforms. Quantum computing and AI won't replace doctors. They won't instantly cure disease, but together, they could reshape medicine into something we've never truly had. Faster discovery, smarter diagnosis, safer personalization, and more proactive prevention. And the responsibility is huge. Privacy, fairness, explainability, safety, and access must be built in from day one. If you want a part 2, comment quantum medicine and tell me which area you think changes first: drugs, diagnosis, genomics, or personalized treatment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe for more quantum computing and AI content.